That's not
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Curly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird to me because I haven't done this in a while. Oh my gosh, where to start? Anyways guys, I'm back. I'm about to start documenting the dates in my videos. Guys, it's currently 3:02 a.m. in the morning. It's July 8th, as you can see. It is a week before my birthday. My birthday is on the 17th of July. Woohoo! So this video will come out after my birthday vlog because you know your girl will be out the country living it up for her birthday. And yeah, stay tuned for that vlog. You guys will see where I will be going and everything. But for this video, I want to show you 2 items that I received for my birthday trip. I said I wanted to make this video before I wear the items. I wanted to do the whole unboxing on camera, so that's what I'll be doing. But still, this video will come out after my birthday vlog, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I'm so excited. You guys know how much I love Coach. I love the brand, I love the style, I love gear. So your girl had to grab a couple things from Coach. So that's what we'll be unboxing right now. Let's jump right into the video. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Let me be honest. I bought these items 2 months ago. I never like unpacked them or anything. I just have them sitting and waiting because I wasn't gonna, as usual, I wasn't gonna make a video, but I decided to because I see that my girlies like these unboxing that I've been doing, so why not just share with you guys. As you can see, I have here this floral purse from Coach. I'm gonna give you an up close on this item. Let me tell you what it's called. It's called a Klare Crossbody with floral cluster print. Let me show you how beautiful this is. Oh, also the color is chalk multi. I'm gonna put the name on the screen, the link in the description. So it's Klare. That's how that Klare is spelled. Anyways, it's so cute. I can't wait to wear this with my beautiful flowy dress. Talk to me nice. Oh my gosh, look at that guys, so beautiful. This is a beauty right here. The material feels so good. Everything about this bag is just like, as you can see here, the sign, the Coach sign. It has the little Coach right here as well. And like I said, oh, 550. Oh wait, hold up. It was $450 and then it was baby, you know I bought these on sale while they were on sale. Pay $105. Got the wrong person, boo boo. Gosh, she had the, I forgot because I bought this bag so long ago. I kind of forgot what it looks like on the picture, but it has to go. 3:02 in the, it's 3 o'clock in the morning guys, it's bedtime. I just wanted to do this unboxing real quick on camera. Come on. Listen, you know me, I like to play matchy, and you know I had to get the sandals to go with this. Hey, this well packaged, you know? This well packaged good to the T. I don't want to break anything. Trying to take my time, but at the same time, I'm trying to get this out the packaging. Got it. Okay. Yeah. All right, so back to what I was saying. This is the purse. Hopefully you guys can see. Oh my gosh. So you could wear it short like this, or you can wear it like this. Okay. All right, so let's see the inside, guys. Let's look at the inside. It still has the stuffing and everything in there. Like I said, I bought this a couple months ago. Spring. I literally bought this springtime. Never unboxed it. Just had it there sitting. I bought these when they just came out. The style just came out, you know. Ooh, the pattern is also in the inside. No man, let me look. Hold on there. Let me show y'all. This is pretty. It's like suede, and it has the Coach sign in here. You have a bunch of pockets. I was really, oh, I thought this one would have had like the card holders, you know, where you could put your credit card. I guess it doesn't have it. Let's check this side. Let's check in here to see. Oh no. What's inside here? Oh, this is just, I don't know. But yeah, this is what it's given. This is the first compartment right here, and then you have this zipper area where you could just put like personal items that you don't want to fall out your bag, like maybe like your cards. Then it's given suede. I love it. Everything about this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And right here is when it closes, it's like magnet. I am ready to rock this purse. I'm ready. Let's see the back. Yeah, the back is given. It's the same. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the name on the screen and the link for this in the description box. Oh, it also has like a compartment in the back as well. I mean, this is supposed to be like a spring with the flowers and stuff. That's when I bought it, but I didn't buy it for spring. I bought it for summer. It's still giving summer, right? It's still giving summer. And the details with the little coach right here, the word Coach. Oh, it's just the color for me. And my two dresses are just gonna fit right in with this. Oh my gosh. And you guys already know I have different straps from Coach, so your girl gonna put it together. All right guys, let's move on to item number 2. This is the second item. As you can see, this is, let me give you all the details, baby, all the details. This is what it's called. It's Evy leather sandal, and it's the color chalk. It's the size 6.5. Yeah, this is actually my first sandals from Coach. I usually just get purses. Ooh, even the paper is saying Coach. Okay, I see you, Coach. Why am I love Coach so much? I don't know. I just don't know. I love them bad. Oh. Anyways, perfecto. I'm gonna put the sandals and the purse next to each other so you guys can see. Let me give you an up close of the sandal. It's the same color as the purse, as you can see. It says Coach right there. It has the gold Coach on the top, and you guys know I already tried it, period. I haven't worn these as yet, but when I first got them, because I ordered both at the same time, I tried them. I made sure to try these just to make sure they fit. So yeah, I did that. So yeah, these are the sandals. I love them so much. It's giving summer. And as you guys know, I ordered these from the Coach outlet. I purchased them from the outlet online. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description box if you guys are interested in these style, and you can go check them out. Anyways, this is it. Let me show you both. The sandals are also chalk, the color chalk, just like the purse. So they're the same color, like literally. So yeah, I'll be putting these together. Anyways guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on these. If you think these were a good purchase, would you purchase? Did you purchase? And also, what would you wear with these two? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm pretty sure by the time this video drops, I'll have pictures in these. So I'm gonna have pictures in the video, maybe right here, of what I wore with it. But I won't be wearing them once. I'm pretty sure I'll be wearing them again and again and again. So let me know other styles, other colors that you would wear with these. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking with me through the long breaks. Yes, thank you for sticking with me through the long breaks. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the people who reach out like, wow, Krissy, what's going on? We haven't heard anything. Are you? I appreciate you guys for remembering me, reaching out to me, you know, missing me in my videos. Anyways, this video doesn't have much energy in it. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning. I should have done this video from 10 p.m. but I had other stuff doing. So now like my energy is like low. I don't want to be too loud, you know, because it's 3 a.m. in the morning. So bear with me guys if my energy is not like what it usually is in previous videos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to hit that like button, subscribe, share, comment down below. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.